Hi you guys. So this is my YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Emma Hanquist. I'm an illustrator and today we're gonna do a draw yourself with Domestika. I think I started off like as a child. I drew like most kids do, and I have 4 sisters and 3 of them are very close in age with me. So we used to draw together at our kitchen table. My dad used to work for a magazine company. He was delivering newspapers. So he used to bring us these big rolls of paper and we used to like just roll it out on the kitchen table. And we could sit there and just draw for hours. Most kids draw, like I would say, like all kids draw. The key is you have to like keep drawing through your teenage years, through those years when most people start getting boyfriends or riding horses or whatever, just keep drawing. So that's what we did. We're super close in age as well. We're like 4 kids in 5 years, so my parents were busy. This one day, one of my sisters started drawing like lines, like this is my area over here. And this sister started like, no, this is my area. And then we just started like fighting over like drawing stuff. All right, and this turned into a computer. So that's how I draw nowadays. I would draw myself running. So I'm always like in a hurry. Not that I'm late, I just like to do a lot of stuff. I'm a very restless person. I like to have a lot on my agenda. My sisters are like always teasing me about my hectic life. And they're like, you're gonna die if you keep doing all these things. And I'm like, I enjoy doing them. Look at me, happy. No, sad. Happy. There you go. Running around. Maybe with a pen, drawing lines. Whee! That's me. Where I'm going? I think I'll be going like this, like in circles. I'll be returning to this, running around. I live in an apartment that I really like. It's a 2-floor apartment that was really hideous when we bought it, and then we have renovated it. I live on a small island, Gotland. It's a very like small town life, and we also have this little small summer house. It's really weird that you live on a super small island. You live on the only city there. And then you also have like a summer house on that super small island. I needed to be close to the ocean. I grew up on this island, so I need the horizon. I realized that when I was like living in different countries or different cities. I felt that I was like living in the Colosseum, that it was like the air was like standing still. So I really need the horizon. Doesn't look like this. I don't live in a lighthouse, but let's just pretend for a second. Here's my family. We always sit like this at home, looking at the ocean. But it's very nice. I really enjoy that island. And I really like that I come from this really small place I hated it for a long time, but now that I've returned, I think I'll never live in a big city again. The most important thing in my life is my family. At one time in my life, it was like really important with work and drawing and stuff like that. And it is important to like have a job that you enjoy, but it's not everything. You have to have something to come home to. We look the same. Me and my family always look the same. My husband, he's a really big supporter and he works with animations. The kids are so much fun, not when they're small, I'm not gonna lie, but once they like reach, I don't know, 4 or 5, they're like really fun because their brains are not developed and that's why they're fun. They say weird stuff, which is like super enjoyable. Looks like he's super old. He's not that old. He's just... He doesn't have any hair. That's just like my daughter said. His hair ended. But he has beard. So yeah, this is my precious family. I have this vision of myself when I'm old, sitting like at the shore, being like super wise, having white hair, long white hair like a witch, open for new perspectives, like haven't reached my full potential yet. I think it's important to just be open to like the development of the world, to try to see, listen to other people's perspective, listen to what they have to say, just building like your own sense of the world. Like metaphorically, the sun is going down on me because I'm dying, because I'm older. But then maybe my kids are like getting other kids, so I'm sitting there like super wise, and here we have my grandchild eating sand because life goes on. I don't know what is going on, like getting infected here by this sand. Where is his parent? She or he is out here in the ocean surfing, because you can't be all this boring sitting there and dying. Here you go. Hey! Eating sand. Maybe there's another one here, just getting a tan, looking great. So I don't know what's going on over here. Like that's a goal I would have, like with my life. Love and relationship and family. So hopefully you'll see me here in 40 years. Yes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you want to know more about illustration, you can check out my online course on Domestika, and I'll see you there.